Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dilip Singh Kharra, and this is my YouTube channel, Merchant Navy India. Generally, I provide a information regarding the Merchant Navy to the candidates. So today's our topic is purely related to the MSc and IMU CET. Now here, first we will talk about MSc sponsorship form and syllabus. These two things we are going to be talk about here. For the form, how you will fill, this is already done a video by myself and it is placed on the YouTube channel. You can check it from there. Now, today we will talk about the MSc syllabus. Now, we already know that our examination will be from 21, 22nd, 3rd, 4th, and 25th. So, I hope everybody's filled their examination on 25th only. So, if you have filled you have given the date of examination on 25th. So, according to that, you can go ahead for your examination and start preparation. So first of all, I'll show you the syllabus and I'll show you the syllabus. Just a minute, I'll open up. My screen is visible to everyone. I think it's visible to everyone. Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll start.
Yes,
We
sir.
already know that there is a 60 question, right? And 1 hour 30 minutes means like it's a 1.5 घंटे का paper है. In that you will have physics, then you will have mathematics, then you will have GK, and then English. Now in the physics, we'll have a 13 question. I am just giving you the important topics. For 11, 5 topics. For 12, 4 topics. In the same way, 12th mathematics, you will have 12 question. 11th, 6 topic. 12th, 3 topic. In GK, we will have 10 questions. There, two parts I have divided, normal part and shipping related GK. English will have a 15 questions. Now we will elaborate little bit about this. Now, if you see in the physics, the part which I have given for the 11th, the part which I have given for the 12th, you can see over here, and the question which I have given you, most of the questions, like around 80% questions will be from these topics, but still 20% question will be from somewhere else. So you guys need to be start more, put your efforts. At least if you're starting today, so these chapter you need to be clear 100% by yourself. If you are leaving any of the topic from this, then it might be a big problem for you. Now, next is come for the mathematics. In the mathematics also, you can see the 11th topic and 12th topics. So these are the topics which is given already. So this also you need to be prepared perfectly. Next is about the GK. They will have a 10 question. In that, 5 from the normal part. Normal part means the part is already exists. Like they can ask ki, bhai Taj Mahal kisne banaya? In the GK part, there will be normal part. Normal part means the GK is already exist. So that is the normal part. And the shipping related GK means that like they can ask how many ports we have in this entire India, right? Major port, minor port, which port is popular for what? These kind of the questions which is related to the GK, these will come in shipping related. Now in English, 15 question is for what? Tenses, antonyms, synonyms, filling the blanks, one word. At least these 4 topics you need to be clear very clearly to get this English 15 question. For the English, you don't need to be work hard, because if you are studying from starting to the English medium, you can work out very easily. But the problems comes with this GK and the physics, because here you need to be prepared well. So this is more or less a syllabus which I have just discussed to everyone. So this is, I think I have cleared. Now anybody is having any kind of doubt related to the MSc syllabus, they can ask. Or we can go ahead for the next topic, which is about our IMU CET coaching. I think
Sir, not about syllabus, but I wanted to ask how many students MSc going to shortlist for
MSc is
August batch?
going to shortlist for final 80 student. Now it's all depend on their IMUCT rank, because they are going to select 300 candidates. Out of 300, they are going to final selection with the 80 candidates, and they are going to take only those 80 candidates who's having a good rank in IMUCT.
Okay,
Any
sir.
other doubts? So we have discussed this video. Actually, I have made
Sir,
it because of the candidates.
sir, sir, hello.
Yes, yes, Rahul.
Sir, today I am talked in the IMI Institute.
Yes.
Then they told me that if you have a sponsorship, then you take, we will charge you 6 lakh. And if you don't have a sponsorship, then we will charge you 10 lakh, because we have tie-up with the TMC shipping company and we will give the sponsorship with it.
Who said you this thing, Rahul?
Sir, I talked in the IMI Institute, then told me.
With whom? With whom you have talked? Who said this
Sir,
line?
I don't know the name, but I will
Is
give
a
you
person
number.
of female or a male?
Female.
It's a female. His name is Jyoti, Sapna, Dipti.
No, sorry, sir, I don't know name.
Can you tell me the last number?
Yes, sir. Just wait, I
Last
will.
last three digit you can tell me.
Yes, sir. I just 2368.
368. Can you tell me the
Yes,
full
sir.
number?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
98
Hmm.
14
Hmm.
39
Hmm.
23.
68. I
Yes,
don't know
sir.
this number is basically belongs to IMI or not, but still I'll find it out for this. Don't worry, Rao. But the thing is that you first work out for the sponsorship. Now you are going for the paid sponsorship. You first work out with the sponsorship. It will be quite easy. You work out hard, work out for this MSc. Why you are not preparing? Prepare well. So that's why today's I have taken this session is that this is all about the syllabus which I have given you. This syllabus I have given you that if you are prepared this much, then you can think about yourself कि हाँ, you can qualify the MSc examination. Now there is a other part which I am taking for this. We have started one of the coaching also. In that, our cost is very less. We are going to take from the candidates is 6,000 only for the coaching. Here we are preparing the candidates for IMU CET. So the syllabus will be the same, and there will be one class in a week, 4 times. There we are preparing for shipping exam as well as for the interview also. So if the candidate is interested, they can join over here. We'll have 5 classes in a day: morning shipping classes, then GK especially, then there is some candidates. This Suraj is asking about. Please give me the syllabus. I'll upload this video on my YouTube channel. You will get it from there. The syllabus is already uh, shared and discussed. Okay. For the psychometric and interview, I'll take the webinar type, this kind of conversation once again. First, you have clear your this exam, and if you get the chance to be part of interview or psychometric, then you can contact me on this Telegram itself. I'll make one more webinar for that interview and psychometric testing. So right now we were discussing about the coaching. So we have kept this coaching is for 6,000, and it's kind of a type of crash course type. We'll have 5 classes in a day, starting from morning to evening, like 1 hour 30 minutes for the physics, 1 hour 30 minutes for mathematics, 30 minutes for uh, English, and 1 hour for chemistry, and then 1 hour for shipping, and 1 hour for the general aptitude. So basically, this we are going to be covered for that. Like somebody's asking between that my YouTube channel name is Merchant Navy India, you will get it, or I'll share the video once it is uploaded, then I'll share it also. So whoever is interested in this course, where we are, see, you, if you can see about this amount which we are going to be take, it is if you check it on Amazon and other things, where you are going to take a full package of uh, crash course books itself, it's cost in around 4 to 5,000 rupees. So here we are taking just a 6,000 amount, where we will be take the coaching for entire 2 months till the end of the August, where we are preparing for shipping as well as for interview preparation, as well as we are filling many of the examination like Scorpio, volumes and things. And see, there's a one candidate is asking that, sir, can you give us the guarantee? See, I can give you a guarantee to take you in several companies for as per your eligibility criteria. This much I can take you guarantee. But this I cannot take you whether you will be qualifying examination or not. But I can take you the guarantee for this. What I am going to taught you, same kind of pattern you will find in the interview and as well as in IMUCT exam, as well as the exam which is taken by the companies. I'll give you a right direction, but I cannot say you that I'll talk to them, I'll make a setting and put you in the sponsorship. That I cannot give you the guarantee. But guarantee in the side of my preparation, that is my guarantee I can give you for that. So this is, and with that, every day we are sharing the content which is important for the IMUCT as well as for sponsorship examination. Even we have specially designed a booklet which is we are sharing on Google Drive. So this is a type of entire package which we are giving to everyone. Now you can start your question and answer related to this IMUCT. If anyone have, I can ask.
Sir, for MSc.
Yes, please. Somebody
Sir,
asked
how will
Madhav
you
Kumar Jha, how much we need to pay? You have to pay the 6,000 rupees. And registration is already started. So you can do it today itself, because tomorrow you will get your the link for the examination. The registration is already started. 2 classes are already done. This is the, tomorrow you will have a 3rd class for this. So 1 class was orientation and 1 class is already happened. So that we will cover, don't worry. But registration is already started. If you've done it today itself, then tomorrow you will get your classes. How you will do the registration, how you will pay the amount and other things, that you can contact me by, I'll give you my phone number over here. You can message me on the WhatsApp or you can call me. So this is my phone number. So you can call me or you can message me on the WhatsApp. I'll get in touch with you for this further process. Now, if anyone have
You
any
also
kind
have
of doubt,
any
they can
interact
ask.
with any type of institute?
Yes.
You also have any type of interaction with any institute?
Yes, I'll have interaction with many of the institute. Like I'll have some time with IMI also. I'll have ARI also. I'll have Anglo, Samudra. I'll have
But
instruction.
ARI admission process is not going anything for the August
They are
batch.
just taking the candidates in their WhatsApp group. Once they'll confirm the company, they'll send you in the company. So at least you be there in their WhatsApp group. Because once they'll get it, the company automatically they'll message you on the WhatsApp, please, we have this company and please apply for the sponsorship. They'll start
But
doing.
sir, I have filled the form, but I don't get any type of WhatsApp group, sir.
Okay, you contacted them?
Yes, sir. No, right now I have don't
Just
contacted
call
him.
them. Just call them. There is a person, Seema, who's controlling everything. Even she's having one assistant. You need to be call him. The number is already given on the website, and then he'll add you in a group for more information.
He is very angry.
Okay. Sometimes it happen because this is a COVID time and many of the staffs are not getting their salary and very many issues are going on. So because of that, it's happened. But still, if you follow up, it will be your advantage only. If he added you, in the group. Then once they'll get the information, otherwise don't worry. If you've been connected with me, I'll get the information for these examination. So I'll inform you. Apart from this, any other doubt?
So how will you get the exact figure of selection of MSc candidate 80? So,
I know this because 40 candidates they are sending in IMI and 40 they are sending in TSRAM in entire India. Only 2 places where MSc is going ahead for the training candidate every year.
what is the cutoff of the written exam? The
Again,
safer
it is
side?
yes, it is safer side. That's a very nice question. The cutoff marks is 40% for MSc. Minimum 40% you have to get it. They all
it is
are
all
eligible.
subject section wise cutoff, yeah,
No,
overall
no, no.
cutoff.
Overall cutoff. In Merchant Navy, you don't have section wise cutoff. You will find that it will be overall cutoff. Somebody is asking that you want to go ahead for nautical science. I have given my number over here. You please save it and do me a call after this session when it is over. I'll give you the link of my this YouTube channel also. There are plenty of videos I have kept. You can see it also. There's a one
And
of
sir,
the.
I have asked the minister, and they have told that MSc mainly choose the I think it is only for
reference candidate.
reference candidate. Yes, sir.
No. See what happened. All the reference candidate are being selected, right? It's happened, but it not means that only the reference candidate will be selected. You will find over there are. I have seen many of the candidates from the last many years. I am in this field from the last 10 years. So I know many of the candidates who don't have any kind of reference and they have joined the MSc. So I am giving you the guarantee for this. It is not like that they are selecting only the reference candidate. No, they are selecting reference candidate. Every company do that. But there is a large pool of connections, selections is done by MSc. So that's why like Scorpio, how many selections they do? They do 10, 15, 20. MSc do 80. Out of 80, if they have select 30 reference candidate, then everybody thinks that, oh, reference walo ko hi diya. But aisa nahi hai. They are doing the large selection. That's why there are coming many of references. Now, why the references coming to the MSc? MSc make rule hai. If you join over there, they can accommodate your family also for the job, which is again important. This kind of the things not happen with other companies. That's why every old person who's working in MSc, he wants to put his relative in the MSc only. This because of this advantage. Like sometimes they can accommodate your wife also for the job. So this is like a type of family. They are preferring the family.
Sir, what is the placement rate of Ganpat University?
Yesterday, I also told you this the same thing. Ganpat, you have to keep it at last. Before that, you can join IMU Kolkata rather than going in Ganpat. Frankly, I am telling you this word, you will be remember once you will join over there, and after that you will realize. And still, if you think that कि तुम्हें गणपत ज्वाइन करना चाहिए, तो देखो एक तरीका है, आप गणपत ज्वाइन कर लो, 1 साल के बाद में अगर गणपत आपको एनओसी दे देगा, तो आप IMU कोलकाता ज्वाइन कर सकते हो एज इन लेटरलेट. If IMU Kolkata is having a seat in letterlet, so there is an option. But I am telling you, ये 1 year भी गणपत में जाना ठीक नहीं, अगर वो आपको स्पॉन्सरशिप नहीं दे रहा. Okay, so I hope I have cleared all the doubts, right? So we can end up the meeting, and anyone is interested for the IMU CET coaching, they can contact me. Again, I'll have a meeting on tomorrow at 7 o'clock, same time, or maybe on the Monday. So we will discuss again I'll take some of the topics and we'll discuss, and again we can clarify that. Okay. Thank you a lot.
Sir, can you take a mock interview for me?
What's your name?
Sir, Harshit Jha.
Okay, Harshit Jha. Just contact me on my number. Send me WhatsApp. I will contact you, and we can go
sir,
ahead.
thank you.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you for Thank you for the contacting, and thank you once again. Please share the video. Shuffle, I am not getting your voice. I'm just written my phone number over here. You guys can contact me on the WhatsApp. Shuffle, your internet is quite weak. Shuffle, your internet is quite weak. It's not audible for me. That's fine. Still, I have shared my phone number. You guys can contact me on the WhatsApp. It won't be an issue. Okay. Thank you a lot to join this meeting.